Hi everyone, so today I have another unboxing for you, and I kind of pre-cut everything open so that you won't see me struggling with tape and scissors here. So today's package is from Cabochons for Sale on Instagram. Here's their business card. And this is a really fun package that I'm super excited about because it's a surprise what is in here. I did a video about them before when last time I purchased a haul of some stones, and they really liked my video, and so they sent me this surprise. So I did pre-cut it, but I didn't pull anything out, so I don't know what's in here. So let's find out together. And they're a really good stone seller on Instagram. And if you've never purchased stones on Instagram before, you just write like mine under the picture. And if you're the first one to write it, then you get the stone. So this is nice. They labeled everything for me since I didn't know what I would be getting. So this is Botswana Agate. And it's a cute little teardrop. This one's really pretty. I like it a lot. I love transparent type of stones. Those are always really nice. Oh, and this is Labradorite. I love Labradorite. Let's see. It's a blue one. Very pretty. And next, oh, it's a teeny little baby Aquamarine. So it's a tiny little rectangle. And let's see, this is really fun. It's like pulling out, you don't know what you're gonna get. This is Dendritic Sandstone Agate. Oh, I've had some of these before. I think they were called something else though, but I forget. Maybe they were just called like sandstone. These are cool. They're like, I don't know how to describe it. Almost like a rough texture, and then it's got these dendrites kind of growing across the stone. Let's see what else. Ooh, sunstone. I'm a big fan of sparkly stones. That's really pretty. Lots of pretty sparkle. Ooh, I like that. See how it has like a giant sparkly chunk on the side there? It's kind of cool. So that's that. Let's see how many more. Two more. This is, oh, I love, it's actually called tourmalinated or tourmalated quartz, but a lot of people refer to it as rutile quartz. But rutile needles, I think, are the golden ones, because somebody corrected me once that this is tourmaline needles growing through quartz. So it's actually tourmaline in quartz, which I really, really like. I have quite a few pieces of this type of stone. And the last one is, oh, I love this too. It says Amethyst Super 7. I've heard of this referred to usually as apex amethyst. It's amethyst that has this sort of formation. So it's darker. It's still purple here. It's just like a darker purple. So that's really cool. I love this. So that is it. That was my fun little haul from Cabochons for Sale. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.